What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Well, guys, in today's episode, I figured, I'll take advantage of the long weekend, the Easter long weekend here, and do a bit of work here in the garage because it's, as you guys know, it's taxation time, so it's pretty busy at this point with a lot of bookkeeping and all that, and sending records to the accountant and all that 9 yards. So it's really hard to find time to do work here in the garage and play around with the cars. And guys, I figured, I'll tag you guys along. Nothing really major here, but I have a few things that I wanted to do with the cars. And just recently cleaned the Acura MDX. It's an awesome wash there. It's spick and span, and so grateful for my nephew. He's a manager of one of the car wash here in town, and it's great to find a place to do some car wash, and that does the great job. So anyways, guys, I have a few things that I wanted to actually show you. I finally managed to order this item here that I'll be opening pretty soon. It is to replace that ugly fake carbon fiber mirror cap that is fading away, as you guys can see. Finally, I managed to get one that is a real carbon. So we're gonna open it up here. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. But basically, yeah, it took about a week or two. Let me see here. Okay, there you go. Let me see. Tricky of doing this with one hand, as always, as you guys know it. There we go. Yeah, they're quite expensive, so but they're real carbon fiber, and it will definitely do justice here for the Golf R. I mean, I don't think this Golf R deserves a fake one, so I figured I'd spend the money to actually get the real one. Nice, as you guys can see, way better than that ugly one over there. Quite a big difference, guys. If you guys see the difference between the two, I mean, night and day. Definitely night and day, guys. Anyways, I've done so many of these videos of putting mirror caps. I'm not gonna do a how-to on this. I'm just gonna do the work and then show you guys the before and after. So anyways, stay tuned. I'll show you guys the difference between the two here, side by side. Quite a difference, guys, night and day here. Look at that. Literally, this thing came in the package like this. It's slightly worn out now, but it was pretty dull when it first came, and there was lots of scratches on it. This is the Chinese version here, and this is an awesome real carbon fiber here. So as you guys can see, huge difference. Well, guys, it's on now. It looks pretty good again in comparison to what we had before. It looks very nice, guys. Well, guys, it's all done. Just want to show you the newly installed carbon fiber mirror cap. As you guys can see, it's beautiful. Definitely is big difference compared to the first one that I've installed. It's unfortunate. Every time I do install a new cap on, the tabs always breaks. Bunch of tabs broke on this one here, and also on the other one. Especially on the other one, it was all shattered. Basically, all the tabs were shattered. So luckily, I glued them in. I glued the tabs back in, and I managed to carefully put it in and be able to actually latch on properly. So it is now latching on it's not so bad. I emailed the company and complained about the tabs being broken. I even heated up with the heat gun there to make sure that we don't, basically we don't put it in while it's cold. And as you guys can see, I heated up and everything, and still broke. Managed to broke. I've done this so many times. It's not the first time I've done this basically, and yeah, every time I do it, the tabs breaks. In fact, the previous one here, as you guys can see, I've installed this last time, and none of the tabs broke as much compared to this other one here that I just installed. And this one is even way cheaper than, it's like 20 bucks technically, and it didn't even break any of the tabs when I put it in. But that one there, definitely for the price, I'm so disappointed that it break. The tabs broke in the process. There's actually one over on this one, and all the tabs were broken on this one, and I managed to actually glue them on, yeah, it worked okay, but I'm not sure how long it's gonna hold up on me. And if they end up breaking in the later times, then hopefully this company in Malaysia where I purchased this from will give me a new one, because I'm not sure how long the glue will hold up on that, and I don't want it to just fall apart once I'm driving the car. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for more videos here. I'm pretty much done with the Golf R. We'll be heading out for dinner now at my mom's parents' house, mom and dad's house, and yeah, Easter celebration that is. So anyways, guys, again, if you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button, and if you do like this video, hit the thumbs up, and at the same time, guys, ring that bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I have going forward. Peace out.